This is risole. This is risole.
This is funnel cake. This is funnel cake. This is cutlets. This is cutlets.
This is pie. This is pie.
This is deep fried milk balls in syrup.
This is churned curd. This is churned curd.
This is cream. This is cream.
This is clarified butter. This is clarified butter.
This is cereal. This is cereal.
This is whey. This is whey. This is pudding. This is pudding. This is sauce. This is sauce. This is rice pudding. This is a rice pudding.
This is salad. This is salad.
This is pickle. This is pickle.
This is vermicelli. This vermicelli. This is soup. This is soup.
This is water balls. This is water balls. This is donuts. This is dough nuts. This is pilaf. This is pea. Laugh. This is mash. This is mash. This is popdom. This is popdom. This is rice and curry. This is rice and curry.
This is omelet. This is omelet. Omelet.
This is semolina pudding. This semolina pudding. This is spicy snack. This is spicy snack. This is turkey. This is key. This is waffles. This is waffles. This is croissant. This is croissant. This is noodles. Noodles.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.